Hi everyone. Want to transfer music from your computer to your iPad? iTunes is a popular choice. It lets you add purchased songs or import files manually. But with so many options, it can get confusing. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to transfer music from iTunes to any iPad model. Part 1. Sync music from iTunes to iPad automatically. Connect iPad via USB. Unlock, tap Trust. Open iTunes, click Device icon, go to Music. Check Sync Music, choose Content, click Apply, Sync. Open Music app on iPad to view songs. Part 2. Add music from iTunes to iPad manually. Connect iPad to computer, open iTunes. Unlock iPad, tap Trust. Click iPad icon, select Summary. Check Manually manage music and videos, click Apply. Drag songs into Devices, Music. Part 3. Transfer music from iTunes to iPad wirelessly. Connect iPad via USB, open iTunes. Click Device icon, go to Summary. Check Sync with this iPad over Wi-Fi, click Apply. Bonus: how to transfer music from PC to iPad without iTunes. You don't have to use iTunes to transfer music from your PC to your iPad. In fact, there's a simpler and better way. With iOS transfer, you can easily move files like music, ringtones, photos, videos, and contacts between your iPhone, iPad. Step 1. Open iOS, transfer and connect iPad to computer. Install the downloaded program on your computer. Run it and plug your iPad into the computer with the USB cable. Follow the prompts on the interface to get the device recognized by the software, and you'll get the main screen as below. Step 2. Select your wanted music from the computer. You'll see various iPad data on the left sidebar of the program interface. Simply choose the Music tab there and click on the plus icon at the top menu. Step 3. Start to add music to iPad. Select your desired songs from this computer and tap on Open to import the files to your iPad. Then, the task will commence immediately.